Hey guys. All right, today we're going to learn a new letter, the letter N. This is capital N and lowercase n. N says N. N. So here's our story to help us remember. All right, so there was a baby bird in a nest, in a nest. There was a baby bird in a nest. There's Miss Hendry, and she was in the woods, and Mommy Bird told Baby Bird, "Come down, Baby Bird, fly down here and see Miss Hendry." And that baby bird said, mm, 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 mm. He was scared to fly. So he said, mm. Right? All right. So the letter N, capital N, lowercase n. N says, mm. For nail, nest, nut, and nose. Can you touch your nose? All right, so let's look at how we write the letter N. A pull down, a slant, a pull down, and then lowercase is a pull down, a hump, capital, pull down, slant, pull down, lowercase is a pull down, and a hump. Good. So remember, letter N is for baby bird who was in the nest, and Mommy said, "Come down, baby bird, fly out of the nest." And he said, mm. Bye, guys.